Hello guys, I'm gonna be coughing flour. I think that's hilarious. Can't resist me some flour.